In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Chrome bookmarks. If you've ever wanted to move your bookmarks to a new computer, switch to another browser, or just keep a safe backup, exporting your bookmarks from Google Chrome is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the exact clicks on a computer, whether you're on Windows or Mac, and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the window, look for the three vertical dots. That's the main Chrome menu. Click it, hover over Bookmarks, and then choose Bookmark Manager. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O to jump straight to the Bookmark Manager. Inside the Bookmark Manager, you'll see your folders and saved pages. Look again for the three-dot menu within this manager view. Click it and select Export Bookmarks. Chrome will immediately open a save window so you can choose where to store your exported file. Pick a location you'll remember, such as your desktop, documents, or a dedicated backups folder. Chrome saves bookmarks as a single HTML file, commonly named bookmarks.html. You can rename it if you like. Adding the date, for example, makes it easy to identify later, but the file type should remain HTML. Once you've chosen the location and name, click Save. That's it for the export. Chrome has created a portable HTML file containing all your bookmarks and their structure. This format is widely compatible, which means you can import the file into most major browsers like Firefox or Microsoft Edge. It's also perfect for transferring to another computer or simply keeping a backup so you never lose your saved sites. A couple of quick tips to keep things organized. Consider storing the file in a cloud drive or on an external USB drive if you want an extra layer of safety. If you manage bookmarks for work and personal use, export separate copies and name them clearly so you know which is which. And if you want to double-check the export, you can open the HTML file in any web browser to preview your bookmark list. It will display the folders and links just like a simple web page. With that, you've successfully exported your Google Chrome bookmarks. You now have a clean, portable file you can keep, move, or import whenever you need. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.